So I started something. Look who's sitting on the new Goldwing now. Look at Video Arizona. We're having a lot of fun. We have a lot of fun here in this Honda shop. This new wing is something else. Do you care if I video?
No, go ahead.
No, just go in.
What up, Trouble? You know what's weird, Scott?
Huh?
Take a look at that while I'm bouncing.
Yeah, I know what's weird. My friend and my brother is in Michigan to have some fun. Look at this is real. That's what's real. What am I looking? What do you want me to see?
This is front suspension. Isn't that something?
That is something.
Wow.
That is something. What a beautiful machine.
It's a very nicely built. Very nicely built. It's scary though.
It's scary. It's scary. I love it. I'm in love. Let's look at this front end one more time and watch. And David's gonna videotape me putting this thing on a center stand. Watch this, you guys.
Okay.
Watch this, you guys. You guys step back so you get a really good. I know I'm really bossy. Cheryl always tells me that. You're way too bossy. Don't get so excited and tell people what to do. But I can't help it. I love motorcycles. Oh. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this, you guys. Watch this. This is a Honda Gold. This is a Honda Goldwing. Watch.
Look how easy that is.
Oh, it's me.
Yeah. Let's see those arms.
This is why I don't pack none of them concealed weapons permit. There's the only concealed weapons permit I need, right?
But that's leverage.
Is that what that is?
Yeah, that's what that is.
Hey, get out and ride.